Before we discuss about the X-ray, CT and MRI, now we discuss the PET scan, that is positron emission tomography scan, which is just like a CT scan. It is snapshot image are useful, but doctors sometimes need a real-time image of part of the body which are functioning. So how our heart is functioning, it is moving object or moving image which can achieve with the help of MRI or PET scan, which give the better result to study this. This positron is an antiparticle of electron. So this is called as positron. When an electron and positron meet, they annihilate. They produce the energy which is gamma rays. The PET scan of the patient are injected with a specially create a substance called as radiotracer, which is 18-FDG. 18-fluorodeoxyglucose is used as a radiotracer, which is injected. Usually, radioactive type of glucose or radiotracer is a source of positron, which leads to the production of gamma ray, which injected inside the body, and the gamma rays are picked up by the scanner. Looking at this scanner, there is a patient body, and when 18-FDG is injected inside the body, it produces the gamma rays. These gamma rays are detected by the gamma detector camera, which is present on the ring. So the radio tracer produces the positron, which annihilate with the electron in our body and produce the pair of gamma rays. This energy and the position of all the gamma rays are recorded and turned into the image by the computer used in a PET scan. So where the concentration of radio tracer is high, these radio tracer, that is glucose, is concentration high in a case of brain tumor or brain side, where they are very highly used inside the kidney, inside or inside the cancerous cell. So they are concentrated at these sites. So they are more metabolically active, which is seen by the gamma tracer camera. This is just like a CT scan machine. So PT scanner look like a CT scanner, but only difference is there is no use of X-ray in the tube. Inside the tube, this ring is surrounded by the gamma ray detector camera. In the PET scan, they are very expensive. The cost of PET scan is very high. The biggest cost of this in the production of due to the production of radio tracer. The hospital need have access to cyclotron to create them. The radio tracer have used straight after they are produced. They cannot be stored. Another device is a SPECT scan, which use a gamma camera to record the image at a series of angles around the patient, then reconstruct into the 3D image of an organ how they are functioning in our body. So they use the PET scan at various angle. Area of our brain are more or less active. It is seen by this SPECT scan. It used to detect the brain disorder like dementia, clogged blood vessel, head injuries. It used to detect the heart problem, clogged arteries, and reduce the pumping efficacy. It used to detect the bone disorder, that is hidden fracture or tumor inside the bone is scanned by the SPECT scan. So now you know how important the physics is to the medicine. Now we discuss the smart watches which have a various sensor in the smartwatch. There is a podometer, GPS tracking device, bioimpedance sensor, sleep monitor, calorie counter, and heart rate sensor. These are the fitness tracker watch. The wristband primarily track the sleep and step of each day. It can also used to track food, water, and exercise. A user can track progress from any smartphone in an easy to use and ap- appealing app. Wireless technology had advanced to a point where they could bring amazing experience to fitness and health. The technology behind this is the accelerometer. It turns the movement or acceleration of the body into the data and count the steps. It measures how you are sleeping. Algorithm of this, it look for a motion pattern most indicative of pupil walking. Software and applications, it helps to keep track your activity on your phone or computer via Bluetooth or near field communication devices. It's synchronized with a smartphone and wireless synchronizing on iOS, Android phone, which tells about your fitness. Now we discuss the innovations in medical field in different decades. As in 1950 or earlier, we have artificial kidney for the kidney disorders, X-ray to study the bony abnormalities, echocardiogram for the heart function, cardiac pacemaker for the heart block or less active heart to correct them, cardiopulmonary bypass to uh, heart block or uh, for the coronary bypass surgery are used. In 1960, heart valve replacement are introduced to replace the defective heart valve. Intraocular lenses are introduced to correct the cataract. So used in a cataract surgery. The ultrasound is used to study the soft tissue object of the body. And in 1970, there is an introduce of the CT scan, compute, computer tomography scan, which are used to study the bony object inside the body. A continuous 3D image is produced by this. Artificial hip and kidney transplant are introduced in the 1970. Balloon catheter is used to uh, remove the heart block area, and endoscopy is used to explore the or to visualize the hidden area of the body. And in 1980s there is introduce of the MRI, which is used to study the soft tissue object of the body. Laser surgery is used mostly in the eye and area where is highly vascularized area to decrease the blood loss. And nowadays we use the positron emission tomography or PET scan for the functional object study. New generation of medical technology products are combination of different technology which leads to the crossing the border between traditional category of medical products or medical devices. Now we discuss the various type of medical devices. Till now we discussed the various type of medical devices, that is different type of thermometer, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, pulse oximeter, various type of microscope, eye vision and its correction, ultrasound, fiber optic endoscope, X-ray, laser, CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan and SPECT scan. We also discuss about the smart watches and fitness tracker. Due to limitation of the time, it is not possible to touch all the areas of medical science established with the help of physics. So we have covered a bit of about it, the mentioned devices. So you may explore the other areas. The illustration or example of this application can be conveyed to your student in the class for the real-time explore, exposure. Medical field is continuously growing and developed by the innovative recent advances and research. This field is open to all physicists to explore more advanced technical and reliable medical devices to address the upcoming challenges. I hope you enjoyed our discussion on the application of physics on medical equipments. That's all from myself. Thank you. Jai Hind.